Okay, what is up? Welcome to Software Engineering Concepts for interviews, for exams, and also for education. So, today we are going to look at union versus optional in Python type hints. So, Python type hints actually allow developers to specify expected values for variables, function parameters, and also return values. So, two common type annotations are unequal and optional, which serve different purposes but are closely related. So, a union type hint actually indicates that a variable can be one of several specified types, and then an optional type hint is a special case of a union that specifically allows either a value or none. So under the hood, optional x is equivalent to union x none, or none in Python 3.10 plus. So we'll quickly look at some code examples that you can solve. So you have to use union when a variable becomes can be one of several different types, and also use optional when a variable can be either specific type or none. Optional is more semantically clear when none is a valid value. So in modern Python 3.1 plus, the pipe syntax is x vertical bar y, all in parentheses. They can both replace both. Okay, so we have a simple example here. This is the union type. Try typing it out into your IDE. We don't provide it as a copy and paste so that whoever learning this video can become a better developer. So try and type it in manually so you can understand what's going on. Okay, yeah, so let us know how it went in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.